morning, early in the morning. It was 6 a.m. in the morning here in Turkey, and the kids are still sleeping and tulog pa sila. We are on the way to Cappadocia. Mahina lang yung boses ko guys kasi natutulog yung mga bata. So papunta kami ngayon ng Cappadocia because yung friend ko from Abu Dhabi. And yeah, see you later.
I mix up. But before I sit there, I go to the mommy cave something.
We are here in Cappadocia. This is, look at the view. These are all hotel, guys. They are all hotels. This is hotel too. Huh?
I see a tiny window there.
It's a hotel also.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ah, it's a restaurant. This is a restaurant. Yeah.
She's also vlogging. She's earning from her vlog. How? Like until now?
Yes, until now, but long time I didn't upload and I didn't edit videos because I was busy. One way.
Breakfast, chicken, pizza, burger, pasta, everything has here. Everything has here.
Turkish breakfast maybe.
Wait, it's cheap. Eric, look at the prices. It's cheap.
Şu an kahvaltı masajı. There's only breakfast right now.
Huh?
Breakfast, you want to have the
Breakfast
breakfast,
only.
right? Okay, let's go.
Let's have breakfast every day.
Finally, we are in Cappadocia together. Bucket list check.
After a long
Where are we
time.
going to sit?
She's here.
Here?
Yeah, it's possible I can do.
Let me sit there.
Come here in the middle.
Yeah, because you are left-handed.
Ah, me too. I'm left-handed.
If she is left-handed. If he is
I cannot explain you about that. There is too many things inside, not one only.
But there is tomato there, right? I can
Yeah,
taste it.
yes.
Ano yung GoPro mo?
Burası giriş ücretli mi?
Our tourists. Hi. We are now here in the underground
Underground
city.
city of not Cappadocia.
Yeah, it's part of Cappadocia still.
In Cappadocia.
Cappadocia.
Yeah,
So,
mo.
Oh,
where is the underground here?
Taking video.
say
hi.
Say hi. Look, this is a camera too.
Vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Where is the underground?
Guys,
Huh?
entrance fees are not Turkish national, it's 13 euro. per head.
13 euro
Yeah.
per head. Oh, we don't have euro though.
We don't have euro.
For Turkish national?
No, we are all Turkish.
Now you need to have one card and you will enter with that card.
Which card?
I don't know, they are giving over there.
So this is the underground city. All carpet here are, what's that carpet? Old style?
This is handmade by hand.
By hand they made this carpet? Ah, that's why. So what's special here in EDERİM?
Here, you see?
Okay. That's the ticket office. Oh yes. And welcome.
Here we go. Hello, vlog.
How are you, vlog?
Nasa vlog na ako.
Yes, of course.
Look,
OMG.
they came out under here. From here, the exit.
Ah,
Entrance somewhere there, exit from here.
meron. Giris. Giris entrance. Hello.
No.
Huh? Oh my god, we will go down?
Yes, you go underground. Why the name is underground?
No smoking.
Yes.
Tell the little one to stop not smoking.
No smoking.
You smoke, Yasin?
Here we go. Down the hall. Down. Underground.
This is what we call underground, huh? Oh my god.
Getting shorter.
It's getting shorter?
Yes.
Oh,
It's only for small people.
Which way you wanna go? Are you sure you wanna go that way? Let's
I'm
go.
not sure. It's good.
The arrow is showing there, by the way. Not the arrow? Yeah.
oh my god.
Okay. Why do I have this big long stick?
Sure. Oh, it's cold here. It look like have AC. Tama. Yeah, it's dark. Why there is some kitchen?
You put video, Eric? There you go. Her.
Where's your phone?
It's in my bag.
Oh.
I need to take picture.
Okay, wait.
Yamo.
Yeah, more.
Yamo. Before I think.
Turning. Too close, I think. Oh, wait, look up there.
But when we lock up here, we cannot go out.
Look in there.
Scared in the little tunnel.
Oh.
Is that the window?
Oh my goodness. How do they make this one? Yeah.
Hopefully I don't get
Is
stuck.
that the window? What's in there? Are you coming?
Yes, yes. But slowly.
May ahas kaya?
Go slowly.
Too tight.
Maybe. Asyong,
Yeah?
snake bar mo yalan.
Yo, kommas. But for fat man, I think it's not possible to walk over here.
Whoa. Let me get stuck. I got it on video.
It's getting thinner.
Oh yeah, it's getting more shadow.
Eric, you need to
Look the
Sideways.
Look the stone. How cold is it?
sideways. Yeah,
Yeah,
nice.
it's cold.
Why you gonna video me? Get off of me.
You can fit. Go sideways.
Video me getting stuck in the ground.
He can fit, he can
At least
fit.
I got one.
Yeah, I think you should walk in the sideway.
You're funny, you too. You need to go sideways.
Is this the sitting area?
Oh yeah, there is a rest.
Wow.
700
Oh, it's
down.
good. Oh.
Get in
How
the
come it's
tunnel.
cold here?
Look the rocks. It's really like a.
We need to go down. Papa, we need to go down more. Hey, wait, it's cold here.
Okay, let's go.
Because
Let's
the
continue.
heat from always underground.
We are in the third floor or what?
We need to go down more.
There is getting more thinner here.
Papa,
The sun doesn't heat it up.
Yeah.
I wanna look up here. Go over here. It is more cooler
Oh, there is one way going up. Oh. I think we should go from this way up because the arrow showing here.
We are still going down.
And what about the blue sign then?
It's a real deep well.
Oh my god, yeah.
Huh?
Ah, yeah, yes.
Papa. How deep? Look over here.
Oh, you will fall.
Oh,
Hey. Papa, you fell.
it's too much deep.
There's a hole in here.
Okay.
A giant hole.
Hold on.
What the heck?
Some way going that side or something.
Wait, I'll get over here. Over here.
So we don't know where are we now. Medyo napapalalim. Oy, what's that?
What's there?
I don't know, let's check.
Oh, you want more?
You did say it's ready. I have the light. Like for me. Wow. Oh, wait, that's
Nag-explore
so
yung mag-ama.
cool. Look, looks like
Nag-enjoy sila. Is it worth the entrance fee? We get tired.
Did we drop the camera down there?
No, you can see how long the well is. Jesus.
Hey, we can drop the little guy down there.
Yes.
And we-
I think we will
we
pick you
drop him
under.
down?
Yeah.
We drop him down and count how long he screams before he hits the ground. That's how deep it is.
You will?
Mama, go down.
Ate.
Baba, come.
Door, Ben Beckley, yeah? I'll take your photo.
The red arrow or the blue one?
I wanna look at the tunnel.
Ay, marami ding Arab dito. Hindi ko alam, be. Parang, no? Parang pero ang bigat niyan. Paano ipapatong?
Bakit nangyaring ganyan?
chimney. Hey guys, so ayan, nandito na kami sa my castle. Mag picture lang. This is the castle. Ayan. Yung dalawa. The photographer and the model. Ang mahal naman ng ano nila dito, yung gown nila. Picture, 900 tele ang bayad. I-edit nila 3 photo lang yung ibibigay sa'yo. O, diba? Si Baba tsaka si Yamor at si Yasin nandun sila sa car. This is the way. Try ko nga next time. Wala kasing Amazon. May Amazon pala dito pero
Kasi gusto nila lagi matulog.
you are guessing where you will go? Huh? Ask this guy. That one.
Not that.
So here we come again in the Love Valley.
There where we was before.
Yoo-hoo. Hi guys, we are here again in the Love Valley. Hi Amber. Can I take? Yeah, in the breakfast area. Hi. Good morning.
Maybe someone else take it.
Higher.
This is not using. This is a Yasi second song.
This is our view. That's the castle, and here was the hot air balloon in the morning. Good morning. Good morning, Cappadocia. It's there.
Maybe cooler is there.
Okay, let's go down. Go. Here are the rooms. There is more up. So, we are going out from the hotel. Mag-check out na kami, guys.
ATV 1 hour 20, 2 hour 30.
20 euro. It's too expensive. 20 euro for 1 hour only. Right, Yamor?
32 for 2 hours.
Hey guys, ayan. On the way kami papunta sa hotel para sunduin ko yung friend ko. Ayan, nadaanan namin to. Ang ganda ng view. Diba? So, ayan. Ayan siya. Medyo malayo lang sa camera kasi naka-wide yung camera natin. Hindi natin ma-zoom in. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan, ito yung mag-aama ko. Hi. Let's go. It's hot. You drink now your boom boom. You don't yet eat.
Baba yine bir yere gitti.
Neredelermiş? Fincanlar dışarı çık. Küçük bir yer. Burada mıydı? Ha, burada yapıyorlar.
Making is outside like that.
Yeah, right there. Burada mı yapıyor? Burada yapıyorlar.
This is watching.
This is
That's
watching.
making there.
Nerede making? Here is making.
Can I touch it? Your hands will be clay.
Kolay gelsin.
Can I touch it? Your hands will be clay, you know that. I know.
Kolay gelsin.
How much? Making.
Bilmiyorum ki.
Can we buy? What
You want to buy on me?
I want to buy and I will use it.
Guys, you wanna try? It's 250 lira if you wanna try.
You want to try?
And whatever you make, it's yours.
But how you can bring it? You need to dry it like that.
Yes.
Right?
How much this one or still I will make kebab.
Ha?
Evet.
Açık yok mu? Nasıl şey?
Bu bunun aynısı herhalde ya. Aynısı değil mi?
Orta boy. 300 lira.
Bu mu?
Bu
350 o.
350. Expensive bro.
Magkano daw, babe?
300. Oh
I
yeah.
saw them, they're there.
Yeah, there's a boat over there. Can you? So ayan guys, sumakyat kami sa may kale. Tostado na ang mga tao dito. Ang init, di ba? Hindi ko dinala yung aking jacket. Oh. Yes. Oh. Whew. Look. Aşkım ya.
Look the shape of it. And you will see one soil over there.
Oh. What is this soil about? What is this soil about?
Eski çocuk bezi.
Kavrulmuş toprak.
Eski çocuk bezi.
Look, there's one color. And some color.
Oh, that's pretty.
Forum Kapadokya Uzman Yaz Fırsatı. Yeni sezonu
Hadi.
%50
We will find a good spot. We'll find a good spot.
Becoming like a color. Color changing this side, that's why
Maybe
it's
rose
Changing?
color.
rose color it's becoming. That's why they
Really?
call rose
It's
color.
getting
Rose
red?
Yeah.
That yeah, more. We are going here on top. We are going in this stop so to watch the sunset. We come all the way there.
And that area is gonna change colors.
Let's see.
Follow Yazzie path. Look in the path.
You start feeling cold?
I'm cold and bored. Mama, do you feel cold? Why do you feel cold? You have long sleeves. And me and Papa don't even I'm up here.
And the sunset. Oh, it looks beautiful.
You wanna set the tripod here?
No, it will fall.
No, here beside me. I mean.